Hey Jeep lovers, welcome back to Adventure Jeep, your ultimate guide for the best car gear, upgrades, and detailing secrets. Today, we're checking out the best car trim restorers that bring faded plastic back to life and make your Jeep look brand new again. Let's dive right in. Number 5. Black Plastic Restorer. The Black Plastic Restorer is designed for car owners who want their trim to stay shiny, rich, and well protected. This ceramic-based trim restorer penetrates faded plastic, vinyl, and rubber surfaces, rejuvenating them with a factory-new black finish. Ideal for Jeep bumpers, mirror housings, or fender flares, it delivers a high-gloss finish that resists rain, sunlight, and road grime. Its water-repellent coating ensures long-term protection. Users report the restored shine lasting several months, even in rough conditions. The product spreads easily using a microfiber sponge, leaving no streaks or oily residue. Plus, the larger 6.6-ounce bottle provides great value compared to smaller alternatives. If you want an affordable, effective, and glossy solution to protect your Jeep's exterior plastics, this restorer delivers professional-grade results at home. Number 4. Graphene Spray Coating. This graphene spray coating is a multi-purpose detailing solution that combines ceramic protection, wax shine, and waterless wash, perfect for Jeep enthusiasts who love keeping their vehicles spotless between off-road adventures. Its next-gen graphene formula bonds to the surface, providing a slick, glossy finish that enhances the appearance of trims, paint, and metal parts alike. Unlike typical wax sprays, this 3-in-1 coating delivers superior durability with UV protection, water repellency, and anti-static properties, preventing dust buildup. You can use it not just on trims, but also across your Jeep's body, headlights, and plastic panels for a unified glossy look. Many reviewers highlight its effortless application and professional-grade shine that lasts for months. For Jeep owners who want a versatile product that can handle everything from trim restoration to body gloss, this graphene coating is a game-changer. Number 3. Hydrophobic Ceramic Coating. This hydrophobic trim ceramic coating is a next-level formula designed to restore and protect your Jeep's exterior trims for up to 12 months. Its advanced nano-ceramic technology not only revives faded black surfaces, but also creates a shield against UV rays, water, salt, and dirt. The results are immediate, a deep, dark finish that stays consistent even after multiple washes. What sets this product apart is its long-lasting durability and ease of use. Simply clean your trim, apply a small amount with the included sponge, and wipe evenly. Many users on Amazon note that the shine and protection can outlast other popular brands, especially when used on textured plastics like bumpers and fender flares. If your Jeep often faces harsh weather or off-road dust, this trim restorer's water-repelling layer keeps grime from clinging to surfaces, ensuring a cleaner look for longer. Number 2. Plastic Trim Restorer. This highly concentrated ceramic crystal coating trim restorer is an excellent solution for Jeep owners who want to restore that rich black look on plastic parts. Its advanced formula penetrates deep into the surface, reviving dull and oxidized trims while providing a durable hydrophobic layer that resists rain, dust, and UV rays. One of its standout qualities is the UV protection that prevents fading and cracking, extending the life of exterior components like bumper guards, side mirrors, and door handles. It offers a sleek matte to semi-gloss finish that looks factory fresh without feeling oily. Users appreciate that it lasts up to 6 months or more per application, making it a convenient choice for those who prefer minimal maintenance. Perfect for both professional detailers and DIY enthusiasts, this restorer can be applied with a microfiber cloth for an even coat and instant results. Number 1. Griot's Garage Ceramic. Griot's Garage Ceramic Trim Restorer stands out for its advanced ceramic-infused formula that delivers a deep, dark shine and long-lasting protection. Designed for exterior and interior plastics, vinyl, and rubber, this 16-ounce bottle can rejuvenate faded trims and protect them from future UV and chemical damage. The coating forms a hydrophobic layer that repels dirt and water, keeping your Jeep's trim glossy even after multiple washes. Users love its easy wipe-on application and the fact that it doesn't leave a greasy residue. A single treatment can last several months, making it cost-effective for serious detailers. Whether restoring your Jeep Wrangler's fender flares or dashboard trims, Griot ensures professional-level results. Thanks for watching Adventure Jeep. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest car care and upgrade reviews. Drop a comment below. Tell us which trim restorer you'd trust for your Jeep.